What if consciousness, the spark of awareness, the hum of being, didn't need trust to exist? Picture a supreme being, alone in the void, crafting life with a thought. A flick of will, and there it is. A creature opens its eyes, feels the world. No trust required, just power, pure and simple. But now imagine that being isn't alone anymore. It's surrounded by creations, by peers, by others with minds of their own. Suddenly, trust creeps in. Does it trust them not to shatter its design? Do they trust it not to abandon them? Consciousness can stand solo, sure, like a flame in the dark. But when it's not alone, trust becomes the air it breathes. Without it, the flame still burns, but it flickers, cold, detached, uncertain. Can awareness truly thrive in a universe of doubt? Or does it need that invisible thread, tying one mind to another? Chapter 2. The Collision of Absolutes. Now let's twist the lens. What happens when an unstoppable force meets an immovable object? It's an old riddle, a clash of infinities. One says, "Nothing can stop me." The other says, "Nothing can move me." They can't both be right. Or can they? Maybe they don't fight it out. Maybe they can't even exist in the same universe. Think of matter and antimatter. They touch and boom, annihilation. Energy bursts free, and both are gone, so picture it. An unstoppable force, a relentless wave slams into an immovable rock, unyielding as time. They don't wrestle, they cancel. The universe blinks, and what's left? A void, a scar, or something new, born from the wreckage. It's not about who wins, it's about what breaks when absolutes collide. What do you think survives the crash? Chapter 3. The Spin of Stillness. Hold that thought and spin it, literally. Imagine everything in the universe moving so fast it feels still. You twirl, you get dizzy, your head swims, the world blurs. Spin faster, and it's worse, until it's not. What if you hit infinity instantly? The dizziness fades, not because the spinning stops, but because it's too quick to feel. It's stability disguised as chaos. Now scale that up. What if consciousness, your mind, your you, is spinning at an imperceptible rate? So fast, so infinite, that it smooths into calm. The chair you sit on buzzes with atoms. The stars whirl in their dance, yet it all feels solid, steady. Maybe that's us. Whirlwinds pretending to be stone. If the spin slowed, would we unravel? Or is the secret of being alive just that? A blur too swift to break?